Hey, Coach Cathy, coming to you with a very simple, it's the only way I roll keto, dinner. And it is with chicken thighs. I've gone from chicken breasts to now my favorite chicken thighs. Crazy when you change to the keto lifestyle. And then it's going to be wrapped in bacon that is not nitrate and the healthier bacon. And that's it. Chicken thigh, bacon, salt, pepper, sweet, sweet. So here is my chicken thighs from Butcher Box. So these, there we go. I was going to say there should be 4. So there's 4 of these, and what I'm going to be doing is as simple as can be, right? How wonderful, right? I mean, a lot of people were like, "Oh my gosh, Cathy, you had me at bacon." So here we go, wrapping. It calls for 1, but I'm going to go ahead and wrap these with 2. So just get those around nice and flat. There we go with that. And then, let me wash my hands. I'm not going to do all 4, because you can obviously know what I'm doing. I mean, you don't have to watch me doing that. But then the finishing touch is some ground pepper on there. And from Wakaya, could be any, but this is, my cat is dying over the scents of bacon and chicken thighs. And then just sprinkling with sea salt. Now, why Wakaya sea salt? This is right off the pristine certified organic island called Wakaya that the founder of Fiji Water owns himself since early 70s. He has a high-end resort there, and just, you know, chose to cultivate ginger and turmeric, the most potent on the planet, and then doing sea salt, you know, to help sustain and just keep, you know, healthy products being cultivated right there on the island, right? So they don't have to get it from other places shipped all the way to this small Fijian island. So it is absolutely the best, very large and coarse, but filled with the trace minerals that only sea salt can give you. So that's why, and it lasts for forever, ever. But that's the chicken thigh. I'm going to cook it. It says 45 minutes. That's drumstick for this, I think, and with my new wave oven that cooks a lot faster. Conduction, convection, infrared, all those modalities cook faster and better. So I'm going to do about 20 minutes and see how that is. Flip it over, but it says brown till golden brown. So how simple is that? That's today's what am I eating? Keto style cooking with Coach Cathy. So I hope these come, you know, give you value, that you can just see, oh my gosh, these are just super simple. Do keep it simple. The simpler you do, find 4 to 5 foods that you're like, this is great. And those are your go-to. Now you can add others here and there, but if you keep it simple and have enough that you can, with the new wave, you can freeze food and cook it straight from the freezer here, and it's just so perfectly cooked. It's so delicious. So all of these 4, these 3, this will be for dinner, and then the other 3 will be cooked and then put in the freezer and then warmed up. So simple, and that's what you want to do. Live life the way you do. Just adapt to which type of food you're eating. Things that you're not, you will not miss them, because you're eating amazing, delicious food. So message me, let's connect, let's find out if this is a good fit for you. And I have some products too that really help simplify and support the ketogenic lifestyle. So reach out to me if you want to just learn more about that and see if that might be a road you want to take. It just, you know, helps simplify the day a little bit, but definitely beyond those products, I eat good, healthy, organic food from the best sources I have access to. So God bless, have a wonderful day, and I'll see you soon. Coach Cathy out. Bye-bye. Okay, I did want to add what I'm going to be having for dessert. I'll be having, along with the bacon wrapped chicken thighs, I will have cauliflower, and also my other favorite is broccoli that is sauteed in the coconut oil, and then just add some cheese to the top to have that melted. So that's a delicious filling meal. Then later on, these, oh, super delicious Reese's almond butter cups. I mean, these are so adorable. I love them. And again, the way I roll is super simple. So the 100% cacao unsweetened chocolate, I try to get organic, but wasn't able to get to my source, so grab that over at Fred Meyer Kroger. And my go-to, I use a machine that makes this almond butter natural and crushed right there. The grass-fed butter, then heavy whipping cream, swerve, and sea salt on the top. That gives it a real delicious sweet and sour flavor to it, but they are called fat bombs, and again, another reason to love living the keto lifestyle. So take care. This time for sure. Coach Cathy out. God bless. Bye-bye.